Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to change location in T3 Arena. To change your location in T3 Arena game, launch the T3 Arena game on your device first and on the main screen, look for the menu button at the top right corner and tap on it. In the pop-up, click on Options. From the Options menu, go ahead and tap on Account from the left. After you open up this account info page, tap on the Edit button right next to Location. Select a different location from the menu that appears. Now click on Confirm. Remember that you can only change your location once a day. After tapping Confirm, you will be able to change your location in the game. Changing your location in T3 Arena helps improve your gameplay experience by connecting you to the best servers available. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.